Next exercise is characterized by zooming out. You just make random shapes or random lines on the paper. It doesn't have to make sense. Like this, I'm making some random lines and some random shapes or designs, just filling up the paper. I'm making a leaf over here, here as well, another leaf here, this way. Next, I'll fill up some areas using the black sketch pen. You can just make out random lines, fill up some areas that you like. It is more about feeling and being at ease than the design. It helps you in relaxing and improves your creative process as well. I'll show you a couple of artworks that I have made using this technique. It doesn't always have to be a new pattern as well. You can repeat the same pattern in a similar format.